Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Christmas feast is undoubtedly incomplete without the delicious plum cake. Today's video is about the making of this delightful and rich cake. To begin with, the spice powder needed in the soaking of the dry fruits is made. Dried ginger, cinnamon sticks, nutmeg, cloves, mace, sugar, etc. are powdered and sieved. The dry fruits such as cherries, raisins, tutti frutti, almonds, cashews, dates are chopped into small pieces and the spice powder is added to this mix. This fruit mix is then soaked in rum and allowed to rest for a minimum of 3 days. On the day of baking, to begin with, 1 cup sugar is caramelized on a very low flame by waiting until it completely dissolves and adding 1 cup warm water to it and allowing the water to bubble for some time until the water is evaporated. 1 cup of sugar along with spices such as cloves, nutmeg, mace, cinnamon, each of which of a very little quantity is powdered for the cake mix. 3 cups of Maida, each cup of 240 ml plus baking powder 2 teaspoon, baking soda half a teaspoon is sieved and kept aside. 175 grams of room temperature butter is beaten until soft and the previously powdered sugar is added little by little and mixed with the butter. Followed by 6 medium eggs. From the soaked fruits, the rum is drained off and 3 cups are taken to be added. 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, half a teaspoon of plum cake essence, half a teaspoon of orange essence also goes in. 1 teaspoon of orange zest is also mixed into the soaked fruits. Caramel is incorporated into the wet mix and once again combined well. Now the dry mix is mixed into the wet mix and blended well. Around 4 tablespoons of the dry mix is incorporated into the fruit mix. Then the fruit mix is combined with the batter. To a greased pan, the batter is transferred. And placed in a preheated oven and baked for 40 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. The oven temperature and time varies according to the brand. After 40 minutes, the cake seems to be cooked. The cake is cooled for a minimum of 2 days and used after that so that the flavor pops out well. So there goes the irresistible plum cake. Do try this and let me know your opinion. Also check out my non-alcoholic plum cake recipe in the shorts, the link of which is included in the description. Wish you all a very Merry Christmas. See you all again with a different recipe. Until then, it's me Jo signing off. Bye bye.